Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and we're going to talk about the new access ramp that's going to be built out here. The government is going to build a 4-lane ramp, 2 lanes for either direction, from Mandela Highway into Portmore. So it will go from Mandela Highway to Municipal Boulevard. Now this ramp is going to be a game changer. Currently, Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. Bumper to bumper traffic in the evenings. It can take up to 45 minutes to get along this road to Portmore. So the government wants to build this ramp that will cut the access time down to 15 minutes. It's going to allow 3,000 vehicles per hour to access Portmore. And it's significantly going to improve the access to Portmore. Now, the access ramp will start somewhere out here and it's going to be 1.7 kilometers long, and it's going to go from Mandela to Municipal Boulevard. And it's going to include a 120 meter long bridge across the Rio Cobre. And that will reduce the travel time from 45 minutes to 15 minutes. This is what you call a game changer. And they're also going to expand Municipal Boulevard to 4 lanes, so that will help with the flow of traffic. Now the project, this is just one of many projects that the government has for this area. They're also going to build an interchange down by Caymanas, so that when you exit from Highway 2000 east-west leg, that's Kingston to Mandeville now, you don't have to go onto Mandela Highway to get onto the north-south highway. They're going to have a major interchange, and you can go directly onto the other highway from there. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this project, which is the access ramp. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.